So let's say someone they're in a business and they're hearing you and they're motivated that they want to go bigger to give back more. How do
Yeah.
they contact you? Where do you want to send them?
Yeah, absolutely. My website is gobigtogivebig.com. My social medias are Randy Molland, RandyMolland, or Go Big to Give Big. You can find them anywhere. Anything that says Go Big to Give Big or Randy Molland, I'm the only Go Big to give bigger out there, and I'm the basically one of the only Randy Molland. So it's very easy to find me. Um, but I truly want people to understand that principle. To leave the audience with this is, if you go and follow my social medias, you'll see everything is about not just making money, but using it to make an impact and do good in this world. And typically the people I've found that believe in those same core philosophies
Mm.
are genuinely people that want to connect and help you out for no reason. Make introductions. Guys like you and I say, we pass introductions back and forth with no expectations. Some months you might send me more than I send you. Some months I might send you more than you send me. It's not 50-50. It's just doing good in the world. We want to help each other, right? And so I found that people that want to add this philosophy into their business are genuinely just great humans that love connecting. And that's why my network has grown so fast. So if anyone on here believes in that principle, I'll spend the time of day to chat with anybody. I send a lot of Instagram voice memos when people send me messages, answering their questions, supporting them and helping them. I just love connecting with people that have the core value and philosophies of giving back. Because if I can teach them business principles to make more money, they're the ones that are going to go do good in the world. And that's how we're going to support the world of nonprofits, so they don't need to raise money anymore. They're just funded by businesses. And why capitalism will actually die, because capitalism to do good will actually take over.